Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. If you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, okay? I'm super proud to be reacting to this song, and I felt like I have loved this girl's songs for a very long time. She's still considered a girl now. We have grown. We are grown. It's AMANTLE Brown, all the way from Botswana. That's why I'm super excited. But she's not alone. She's TRADEMARK DJs and DJ BRUNO. MASEMZA-TAXI MAHALA. This is like a what do you call it? A choir, traditional choir type of song that is famous. Taxi MAHALA. But you know, you can always do something new to old things. But AMANTLE Brown is one of the biggest artists to come out of Botswana. So if you are like an international artist, you wanna get audience in Botswana, you have to feature artists like AMANTLE Brown, because she's well known. She was a runner-up, I think, in one of the singing competitions out there in Botswana. So people know her from back then. And I think I have reacted to her songs or played her songs so many times. And if you've been following me from my other YouTube page, you will know that I've been exposing you guys to Botswana talent. Okay. If you're from Botswana, Dimela, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads. Okay, let's get to it. Where are they recording this song, man? Like, what's this place? Seems like some studio, but I know it's a real place. But it seems like I've seen that shack or whatever house. Okay, I had to adjust my camera there. Let's go. You can tell this song has lots and lots of DJs in there, and I wonder like how long it just took for them to say, okay, I think we have done enough with the song. Let's just like put it out there, because it's a perfect song. Okay, and the video as well. I wonder why they went with this. I guess maybe to have that old school type of a feel. It's beautiful, man. Who's producing this stuff? serious clubbing song. I wonder what how the reception is. Beats on this. This is gold, man, and this is like a different vibe altogether. It's not like a forced piano kind of a vibe. It's its own little thing, and I think it's like are they bringing back this genre, this house kind of a thing? I think Trademark is one of they're famous for this kind of music. So I don't know. Are they bringing it back? Am I like running behind the updates? You guys are not updating me. What's happening out there? It's a beautiful one. I love the colors on there. Whoever shot that video. Wow. Okay. Round of applause to the videographers. You're doing great. You're doing good. Big up as well to AMANTLE Brown, man. Continue slaying. You know what I mean? So I'll see you guys on the other side.